Hi everybody! I'm going to do a tutorial for you on one of my very favorite products. It's called The Works. What it is an eyebrow gel and an eyeliner, but it also stays on your tight line and your waterline. And we also have awesome stencils. These are great. They're super flexible. Like they're silicone, not like that like hard crunchy plastic, so you can use them and they won't rip or wrinkle or anything weird. So here we go. So what we're going to do is we have a little brush, a little angle brush, and we're going to dip it in here, just like that. So I think what a lot of people do wrong with stencils is they think that they're going to put the stencil on and it's going to be exactly right for their eye shape and then just stencil. They don't really work that way. So what you do is you do the front and then you turn it and you do the back. So you use two fingers like that and you just hold it at the angle that you like in the front, lining this front part here up with where you'd like your eyebrow to start, just like that. So the first thing I like to do, I don't like to start in the very front because I don't want it to be too dark, so I start kind of in the middle. And I just go like this, and just little, just like you're doing, little eyebrows, hair likes, and then I go